This painting came to me from a flea market. At first, I was drawn to its subject, a little boy playing with his shoe. At first glance, it looked quite typical for its age. A layer of dust, surface green, and a worn frame. Nothing suggested what it had been through. But the longer I work on it, the more of its own story begins to emerge. Step by step, it became clear that the painting had most likely survived severe water damage. There are traces of water both at the top and the bottom. It feels as though it spent some time standing in water and was later exposed to moisture from above for a long period of time. Inevitably, you begin to imagine a ruined house, empty rooms, a roof destroyed by time, and this solitary painting left hanging on a wall in the rain. And yet, there is one detail that touches me most. Despite the years and all the damages, the boy himself has survived in much better condition than the background around him. His face and figure are noticeably cleaner. It's almost as if the people who once lived with this painting carefully wiped the dust from him, caring more about the child than the scenery surrounding him. And now, after many decades, this painting tells not only the story of a little boy with his shoe, but also the story of the people who tried to preserve his image for as long as they could. If you're curious about how this journey began, I already shared the moment I rescued this painting from the flea market. Its story started long before the restoration itself. Unfortunately, even after the initial cleaning, I wasn't able to find the artist's signature. It may once have existed, but perhaps it was located at one of the areas where the paint layers has been lost. Still, the painting reveals a great deal about itself. The quality of the work suggests that it was painted by a skilled and experienced artist. The materials, the palette, and certain details lead me to believe that this may be the work of a Spanish or French painter from the second half of the 19th century. Perhaps this little boy lived somewhere in Spain or France about 150 years ago. We do not know his name, nor the name of the artist who painted him. Yet it is remarkable that after all this time his gaze can still meet ours. The next stages of the restoration lie ahead, removing the aged varnish, restoring the losses, and bringing back the painting's original colors. And perhaps the most interesting discoveries are still waiting for us. Subscribe so you don't miss the next chapter of this story.